Hi. Many people think that UX and UI are interchangeable terms, and they get confused between user experience design, UX, and user interface design, UI. Even people recruiting designers don't know the difference. UX and UI are not interchangeable terms. They're completely different jobs. Here's a simple explanation. So let's take the example of a car. In UX, we decide what problem to solve. For example, let's say we want to design a product which helps us get from A to B. It's a method of transport. What features are important? Well, back when cars were invented, people decided that four wheels, a steering wheel, an accelerator, and a brake were important features, amongst a few other things. That is the function, or the user experience, UX. It involves solid user research, then experience design, UX, then user testing to get the product right, and after that comes the user interface design, or UI. In UI, we decide how it looks, and to a minimal extent, how the details will function. In the case of a car, that would be the body style, the way the door handles work, the colour of the seats, how many controls the radio has, etc. Take a look at this iceberg diagram. Most people only see the top of the iceberg and they concentrate on how the visual design looks. However, below all that are important foundations, starting with the user research and at the bottom of the iceberg and the user experience design, which is more towards the middle. If you've got any questions, please send them in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.